Today I'm here with this 2014 Ford Edge. It has heated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and so much more on the inside. I'm Alana here at Woodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Raters Dealer of the Year. You can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this black exterior color, kind of a dark brown almost, and you have your chrome accents up front with your Ford badge right there in the middle, and you have these halogen headlamps with fog lamps below. These wheels are 18-inch painted aluminum in that nice 5-spoke design with lots of tread left on those tires, and this has a 3.5-liter V6 engine. Looking over at your side mirrors, they are powered and heated with that mirror in the corner so you can see into your blind spot easily. And this has keyless entry into the cabin with a number keypad over on your driver's side. All right, so looking at this front seat, we have these tan leather seats. They are heated, so super comfortable, especially in those winter months. Looking over at your steering wheel, got your cruise control settings, your cluster controls, and your media controls with that hands-free voice communication all right there on your steering wheel. And then looking over at your media center, this is brought to you by Microsoft Sync. So you've got all of your options super easily laid out here. You have your Bluetooth so you can connect your phone and make or receive phone calls. And then here are all of your radio stuff. You can subscribe to Sirius XM radio if you choose to. And you have all of your climate controls that are dual, so you can have the exact settings you want on each side. And you can control your seats with those buttons right there. And then Microsoft Sync has other things that you can subscribe to with a backup camera, so you can easily see what's going on behind you. You can kind of judge the distance between you and objects behind your vehicle, and you can also zoom in to give you a clearer picture. You do have that CD insert right below, tons of buttons for all of your radio and your climate controls. I like the layout of it. It's very stylistically approached. And then you have your 2 cup holders down here with your center console, which has tons of room, plus an amazing media hub with 2 USB ports, an SD card reader, your AV inputs, and a 12-volt. So literally you're covered on all fronts there. Looking up, this does have controls for your panoramic dual-pane sunroof. I mean, this thing stretches all the way back. You have so much air and light just coming in. I mean, that's enormous. So let's go look at it from the back. Okay, so here we are in the back seat. You can fit 3 passengers back here. It's super roomy. And you have this cup holder armrest that can fold down with 2 cup holders right there. And I love the view from the sunroof back here because it has its own pane in the back. Looking around the side, you have that lip spoiler, your LED tail lamps, and your SEL all-wheel drive badging with a rear sensing system. So that will alert you if there's an object behind your vehicle and tells you kind of the distance between it. And then looking into the trunk, tons of room back here. You do have this net. You can take it down if you want, but tons of stuff with power seats. So right here, if you just hit the button, it folds the seats down so you can have everything laid flat without having to worry about, struggling with the seats or anything if your hands are full. So love this Ford Edge. So many options in it. I mean, those heated seats, that amazing panoramic sunroof, and tons of space. So if you want to see it or any of our other SUVs, visit us at WowWoodys.com or come check out our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee's Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
And
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right.
What do you think differentiates Woodys from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
I have so many different vehicles in the lot.
No fees processed. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.